Lesson 9, imbalances. Now what you have to understand about these candles here is that they are always looking to balance each other out between buying and selling. So this is a bullish example, and as you can see, all of these candles are moving to the upside. But what has to happen is when this candle closes, this particular wick will naturally travel down to at least meet the edge of this wick here, because that is rebalancing into this particular level. Therefore, price action is balanced, buyers and sellers are happy. So when we see that this wick never made it down to that wick, you are left with an imbalance of price. So as you can see, price action is pushing to the upside and then aggressively breaks lower. This is huge pressure to the downside, selling pressure. Here's the bottom of that wick and the top of this wick here. As you can see, it left behind this level of imbalance, and we utilize imbalance for entries as well as targets, because price has to come back into these areas to rebalance before moving in its intended direction towards this level of liquidity here. And there are so many examples. You can see this bullish move to the upside, which left behind this bullish imbalance. Therefore, price comes back into rebalance into this area, because price to the upside has inefficient levels of sellers in here, meaning price has to come back down, rebalance before it can target this level of liquidity. So your homework would be here, go and back test and see how many levels of imbalance you can find, see how many of these levels get respected, and see how many entries you can potentially find. And let me know how you get on in the comments.